Hey y'all, in this video we're going to go over question 2 from the momentum, impulse, and collision worksheet. So question 2 asks us to find the impulse experienced by the following. So we're going to use our impulse formula, which is J equals Ft, or force times time. So in A, we have an 85 kilogram football player that encounters a force of 13,500 newtons for 0.8 seconds. So we're given mass, we're given force, and we're given time. Right. For our formula, we're only dealing with force and time, so we don't need the mass at all. So we're going to plug in the 13,500 newtons for the force, and then our time of 0.8 seconds. Right. So when we multiply that in the calculator, we end up with an answer of 10,800 newtons times a second for the units. All right, because we're just multiplying newtons times seconds to get our units. Right. For B, we have a 0.16 kilogram tennis ball that encounters a force of 250 newtons for 0.2 seconds. Again, our formula is impulse equals force times time. So we plug in the 250 newtons for our force and times that by our time of 0.2 seconds. When we multiply that in the calculator, we get 50 newtons times a second. Right. So that is all for question 2.